Welcome to Rare Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program. Standard First Subject English Buying Things.
Soham and Reva are going to a shop with their parents. What a big shop! Mother wanted to buy some things. Father wanted to buy some things. How about you, children? Do you want to buy something on your own? Here's some money. You can use it to buy anything you like. So now we can see in this picture, first picture, that there is two children. One is the boy and the other one is girl. The name of the boy is Soham and the name of the girl is Reva. Now Soham and Reva, they both have gone to the market. They have gone to one shop and the shop is very big. So Soham and Reva, they both are telling that mummy wanted to buy few things. Mummy wanted to buy some things. Father also wanted to buy some things. So mother and father, they both are asking Soham and Reva that children, do you want to buy something? Take this money and go buy some things for yourself. Whatever you like in the shop, and if it is useful for you, you can buy those things. Shall we buy chocolates? Shall we buy crayons? Shall we buy a toy? Please help us, mother. What should we buy? So now Soham and Reva, they both are confused that what they should buy. They are saying that shall we buy some chocolates, or we should take crayons, or we should take a toy. We are very confused. So please mummy, please mother, can you help us to tell us that what should we buy for us? Well, you can buy something that will finish up quickly, or you can buy something that will last long. You can buy something made by others, or you can buy things and make something for yourself. So now mother is telling that you can buy some things which will finish very fast, which will finish very quickly, or you can take some things which are going to last very long, means the things which you can use for a very long time, or you can buy some things which are made by others. So if we go in a shop and we see some paintings and we buy that paintings, but are that paintings made by us? No, that paintings are not made by us, they are made by others. So mother told them that you can take the things which are made by others, or you can take some things and make some innovative or useful thing out of that. Means you can buy some things like crayons, colors, chart paper, and make some beautiful things for yourself. That's a good idea. Let's buy things and make new things with them. So now Soham and Reva, they thought that they will take the useful things and they will make out some beautiful things out of the things which they will purchase from the shop. Soham and Reva picked up some things. They went to the counter. We want to buy this paper, glue and colors. How much is it? Now Soham and Reva, they picked up some things from the shop and they went to the counter. See here how they went to the counter here. The lady is standing there at the counter. So Soham and Reva asked them that, see, we have taken this paper, glue means gum, and some colors. Now will you please tell us that what is the cost of all these things? So the lady is telling 95 rupees in all. 95 rupees in all. Here's the money, 100 rupees. Thank you. I must give you 5 rupees back. Here it is. That's right. Thank you. Now the lady told them that the cost is of 95 rupees. The things which you all took cost 95 rupees. So Soham and Reva gave them the note of 100 rupees. They gave them the note of 100 rupees. So the lady is telling, thank you so much. Now I should give you 5 rupees back. See, here is your change. Soham and Reva, they are saying That's right. Thank you. So now what we have seen in this lesson, we saw that there are two children, Soham and Reva. They went to a shop, and from that shop they have bought some beautiful colors, some paper and glue, so that they can make some beautiful thing out of that. And what was the cost of all these things? The cost of all these things was 95 rupees. And how much the rupees the lady gave Soham and Reva in return? The lady gave rupees 5 to Soham and Reva as the change. And in the last, what did the ladies and Soham and Reva said to each other? Soham and Reva said thank you to the lady, and also the lady told them thank you. So always use polite and kind words while we are talking to others.
Thank you.